Introducing the Gates PC707 Crimper. The PC707 crimps most hydraulic hose, from low to extremely high pressure, from 3/16 to 1 1/4 inch inner diameter, plus a variety of tubes and couplings. Once you've selected your new Gates hose and Gates fittings, you're ready to build an assembly. First, place the die backup ring on the front of the Crimper base plate. Then, select the proper die set for the hose and coupling. Using the die magnet supplied with the Crimper, insert the proper die set 1/2 at a time onto the ring. Before crimping, inspect the inside of the die cone. If needed, apply a thin layer of Molykote G grease. Install the coupling onto the hose. Make sure it is fully inserted. Insert the hose assembly through the bottom of the Crimper base plate up through the die fingers. Place the top edge of the 2-piece ferrule or the shoulder of the Mega Crimp coupling approximately 1/8 of an inch below the top of the die fingers. Place the die cone over the die fingers to hold the assembly in position. Push the die cone and backup ring back against both rear locating pins of the Crimper base plate. Turn the knob to a setting below the desired setting, then turn the knob back up to the desired setting. Activate the pump by pressing and holding the crimp switch on the switch box. The readout light will go out when the crimp switch is pushed in. When the actuator rod contacts the switch box micro switch, the power to the pump is terminated. When you hear the pump shut off, release the switch and the ram will return to its original position. Move the die cone and backup ring unit all the way forward and remove the assembly. Check and measure crimp diameter. It's that easy. To learn how to calibrate the PC707 or how to measure crimp diameter, check out our other PC707 videos. Contact your local Gates rep for more information, and thanks for watching.